Television. Is television an idiot box that numbs us or a magic box that enlightens us? Perhaps it is both. Television did not merely transmit information, it transformed societies by its very existence. Unlike the print world, which is analytical and detached, television immerses. It pulls people in, forms communities of viewers. India witnessed this firsthand when Raman Sagar's Ramayana aired in the late 1980s. It became the world's largest communication experiment. Streets emptied, families gathered, neighbors sat together, and for 45 minutes every Sunday, a country of a billion people shared a single emotional universe. Television became India's biggest informal education tool, teaching values, icons, and national identity through collective viewing. Television did something else. It turned geopolitics into a living room experience. The 1991 Gulf War, broadcast live by CNN, was a turning point. For the first time in world history, war unfolded in real time before global audiences. Missiles streaking across Baghdad were not military secrets, they were prime time visuals. A tea shop owner in Kerala or a bus conductor in Jaipur suddenly understood international alliances, oil politics, and the American military machine. A cricket victory, a moon landing, an election result, a natural disaster broadcast alive, a leader addressing the nation. These are moments of unity, empathy, and shared civic experience. Rural India continues to rely heavily on TV for information, entertainment, and education. In wars, pandemics, natural disasters, television remains the primary source of live, trusted updates for millions. When around 1.42 billion people watched the last World Cup football final live in crystal clear clarity, television proved once again that it remained the world's most powerful window to shared human emotion. Television remains both a mirror and a magnifying glass, reflecting society while enlarging its truths, myths, aspirations, and anxieties. The box may evolve, the medium may transform, but its magic remains as luminous as ever. Thank you very much.